Doesn't get my YouTube channel set up. My other computer randomly shut off yesterday. I was doing the live, kind of weird. No update or anything. It just turned itself off. No power thing. Whatever. Anywho, didn't sleep so good last night. Hope you guys slept better than me. So I figured, what the hell, I'll just come on, do a little live, and then get to work. Coding, well, going over some code, key throw. What's today's date? The 9th. 4/9/2021. We're going to go over how to get funded, or how I feel the best way to get funded is. But let me get everything set up on TikTok and YouTube. Oh, shoot, fire. I won't have the TikTok here. I'm going to shoot. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Let's see. Morning, everybody. I think we're good. Let me get everything set up. I'm not even sure. Shoot, fire. Hold on. Did the email go out? Fuck. Yeah, it did. Okay. Let me go back here. All right. Now, where were we? Oh, yeah, TikTok. All right. So, TikTok. I'm not sure this is a good one or if I should use something else. Let me see something really quick. All right, let me see the charts. What I should do is center this so we can see two. Okay. So yeah, that might work on TikTok. Okay. Let me see this. All right. What the hell? We'll give it a go. See how it goes. All right. We'll be live on TikTok here, YouTube, and that's it. I used to go live and all the rest, they were useless. Welcome to TikTok. Oh, I think I'm live. Okay. Live on TikTok. Live on YouTube. Oh, good. What we got over here? I saw somebody. Good morning, Raider Trader. Good morning, Gladex. Good morning, Amilcar Spezia. Good morning, Andrew. Good morning, Jan Fly the Sky Flowski. Raider Trader, by the way, have the advanced training funded account title. Wow. I thought, yeah, I'm going to go over that again and release it to the public so they can do. Good morning, D Nice. Let's see. You guys can see my best hit of the room on TikTok. How funny is that? I think it's set up. Not sure on that. But anywho, good morning, everybody. What you're tuning in for, obviously. Let me get things started, by the way. And I forgot to put on my oxygen. Damn. Is the United States of America, from the United States Patent and Trademark Office, had issued us an actual trademark registered number, the only trading system in the world that has the United States of America, trademarked the safe trade system, issued to me, Kevin W. Gregg, for class 41, coaching in the field of, and it keeps going on and on. Just fucking awesome. We are trading today. We'll be using the TradingView charts and the MetaTrader 4 charts. They do equally. Systems only available on TradingView. Good morning, D Nice. Thank you for being on both. Raider Trader Ore, thank you for being on both. Flight 379, good morning to you. All right. Good morning, Joanna Webley. I've had a couple of people comment positively, say, hey, it's so nice you say good morning to people. And then I've had one or two say, why do you say good morning to everybody? You're wasting time. You're not getting right into what you're supposed to be doing. And to those type of people, I just laugh. Because each and every one of my viewers is important. That's why I say hi and good morning to everyone, regardless if you're in the system or not. If you say hi and you speak up and you're here, I will absolutely respond if I see you. I mean, no offense if I don't. Good day, Cole Felix. It's like my TikTok is a little sideways or something. What's up, World Boss Hobby? All right. So now that we're up on TikTok, we're up on YouTube, let's go over the basics. I am not a financial advisor. No one associated with the channel is social media influencers. We do have a YouTube store. How the hell did I get over that YouTube store? This is our channel on YouTube, the Safety Trade. We have almost 4,000 members. Extremely. Where it says 525 videos, just add 1,000 to it. I have 1,000 I didn't update. So if we go over to our store, please type yes if you understand we're not financial advisors. But look, we have extremely good quality. I mean, this hoodie is fantastic. The tank top is fantastic. I think I even got the hat. Yeah, the hat, total quality. This is the tank top I got right here. There's like hundreds and hundreds of stuff there. But at any rate, for real, it's a store. Love it. If you're proud of the system, buy some. Wear it with pride. One of our gentlemen got a tattoo. So getting T-shirts and merchandise is a lot simpler than wearing a damn tattoo. So you can pause this anytime and read this over. Not a financial advisor. Thank you, Jan. Thank you, Cole. Just watched your previous video and saying, oh, look, there's another one. So we're going to go over that this morning. What the guys are talking about, ladies and gentlemen, talking about, the members are talking about, is yesterday I did an advanced training session. The advanced training session was done over trading within a candle. I've hinted at that, and I think I even talked about that over the last couple of years. I've been on TikTok 2 years live, over a year and a half on YouTube live. I've talked about it, referred to it, but yesterday I explained how to trade inside a candle to get funded. I did that video because my brother Mike has 4 funded accounts, and a lot of you, he'll be on doing a show with us soon, explaining that. But a lot of how he did it was when I started to show him how to trade within a candle so he doesn't have the drawdown. So if any of you want to get funded, stick around because I'll be teaching you how to get funded here in just a minute. Now, let's go ahead, and I always start with this now. The system you're about to learn about is has been back tested and current tested. What do I mean by current? Current tested is in the Discord, we have a signal service. In this signal service, we have tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. Then we have gold and oil and so on. Well, gold, for instance, yesterday called out a signal early and a signal later in the day. Of course, it made shit tons of money. And the signal service is over, I don't know, we're probably up to 55, 60 signals since January 1st. And since January 1st, the system is 55 wins, 0 losses. Technically, it's a lot more, but I want to get into that. Always on the report everything. So the signals are currently 100% accurate. That's pretty cool. But to show you how flawless they are, if you go to gold on Oeanda, and we go to the monthly, weekly, okay? Look at all these signals. Holy shit, this is the aggressive. We'll get to that in a second. So we go to Oeanda, and we go to the weekly gold. And this is what we're going to see. So we're 100% accurate currently with the system, okay? And then we're going to come over to here. And this Oeanda goes back to goes way back, doesn't it? So we're going to go back to here. So this is Oeanda's signal of gold. This is 1970. This is the first signal that was issued by the system, because as far back as the system can go. And it called gold to buy stop. It was basically $36 an ounce in 1970. And every one of these signals, let me get clear on this one though, hold on. I have to take off the aggressive. We made an improvement already. Okay. So every one of these signals that you see here is a correct signal since 1970 on gold buy stops, whether it's weekly, daily, 1 hour, 4 hour. I'm currently testing the 1 hour, 15 minutes. But every signal you see of those is 100% right since 1970. The current signals are 100% right on 1 hour, 15 minute, 1 hour, 10, and 1 hour 5s. So all I can tell you is the system has been back tested on 12 different symbols. Let me get clear so we're all on the same page. Watch. 4. Where's my little arrows? I'm so glad I got it back. Weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour with 100% accuracy. Since for 54 years, it called out the correct trades on all these on gold and 11 other symbols that I've tested. And we have current signal service that is 100% accurate on gold on the 1 hour, 15 minute, 1 hour, 10, and 1 hour, 5 minute trades, buy stops. 100% accuracy. Oh, he's tooting his own horn. Oh, he's exaggerating. Or how about, oh, we can go over every trade since 1970 and I can show you it. I've already gone back and you can watch every trade that's happened currently on the 1 hour, 15 minutes. Since January, I went over every trade called on gold with 100% accuracy. I know how it sounds. Too good to be true. Oh, Mama said if it's too good to be true, it's got to be bullshit. Okay. Okay, sure. Yeah. Or you might realize that, maybe, just maybe, this shit is computer generated. Just maybe that it's 100% accurate because it listens to the rules that I have implemented. And it's coded to the rules. So our system is rule-based. The code follows the rules without emotion. And that's why it is accurate. Good morning, Ray. Good morning, Ray Trade. Yeah, good morning, Joanne Soaz. Thanks for being on both, sir. Okay. So now let's make you all into the most, showing you how important things are. Let's make you all into the most important traders in the world. I'm going to show you something. We're going to go back to the home base of the channel. Right here. Where is my right here at? Here? No. Okay, I don't even know where my shit is. Hold on. Yeah, you need to rewatch that one. No, none of those. Where is my TikTok? Hold on, let me try again. That's my daughter right there. Our first guest teacher. Damn it. I'm just looking for my Bitcoin one. There it is. All right. This video, live video, right here, is of me going back to a video dated on 3/8/23, so a year ago, a little over a year ago, where I first made my monthly Bitcoin call to over $70,000 over a year ago when it was at 26,000. I said the words. I showed you the trade. And everybody, I had a guy yesterday in our new people, the newbie training group, say, hey, the reason why I bought the system is because of this video showing us. Well, I'm going to teach you all how to do this. All we're going to do is swing over here to Bitcoin. And I'm going to show you how easy the call on Bitcoin was. Every one of my members and people who've been scamming for years won't buy it, whatever reasons. Karma will get them eventually. Right here. Everybody knows what this is. Everybody in my system that's had 1 second of training, green, 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 red, green, green, they know this is something. They want to speak up, sure. But inside of here is called a buy stop. That's how I knew. That's how every one of my members know this is a buy stop monthly, period. There's nothing else it could have done. The same exact formation pattern is Ethereum. Look, Ethereum over here, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop, and it went up. So that's how you know. This same exact pattern on any monthly will yield an up, period. I don't care if it's a Forex pair, a stock, futures, indices. Every time you see this pattern on a monthly, it'll go up. Or weekly, or daily, or 4 hour, 1 hour, or a 30-minute, or a 15-minute, or a 5-minute, or 1 second. So again, this is monthly, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Well, here's XRP monthly. Green, 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 red, green, green. Every time it'll go up. It went up a little, but I'm expecting it to go past $1.49 on XRP. Way past it. Matter of fact, I'm expecting to go past $1.95 on XRP. We'll see. I keep telling you, Ethereum is a buy. Play every 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, until you see Ethereum go over 4,500. I'm telling you that. The next step you should see Ethereum do is a hook down, come back down towards its yellow and red lines, and then hook and back, come up, and finish the movement. But that's just me. Anything, anytime you see this pattern, it'll do it. I'm just trying to shoot through a few of these, see if we can find. And sell stops to be the opposite, by the way. And there, I mean, sell stop. Red, 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 green, red, red, and it goes down. That's a sell stop. So either up or down, doesn't matter. Monthlies, weeklies, doesn't matter. Wherever you see it. There's a buy stop. There's a buy stop. There's a buy to the blue line. Buy stop. Who is this? USD CAD. Play any lower time frame buy stop to the blue line. You'll see USD CAD head up to $1, 1.43672 again, if not higher. It hasn't gone up and touched this blue line yet. It did once, twice. I think you're going to get another push right here to finish it. See, easy when you start looking at these higher time frames. They move so slow, that's why. I'm actually surprised GBP USD hasn't fallen harder yet. It will. But at any rate, you can clearly see the patterns. Tesla forming another monthly buy stop. It's got a little ways further to go down. And then Tesla will be a buy stop later on. Gold, it has to come. We've been calling gold as the buy. I gave the warning out to the group. Just keep an eye out for that. It's a little too far away right now, but we called it all. All these buys have been called. All right. So with the knowledge. Oh, and by the way, some people get really impressed with this. I kind of forgot. The system right here, I'm showing you monthlies. I showed you weeklies, 4 hours. Let's go down to the macro. And let me show you what it looks like here. So we're going to go down. I was taught growing up as a trader by all the so-called gurus back then that taught me the wrong way of everything, wasting all of my $26,500 I lost over 5.5 years. And they taught me how to lose a trade in seconds. Every time I placed a trade, I lost. But they did the best they could. So watch. This is down. I was told you can't trade below 5 minute. I was told you should only trade on the 15-minute charts. That's how I was taught. Really? Okay. So then let's zoom in. And just for shits and giggles, inside this rectangle right here is something. What is this? Sell stop, buy stop, or nothing. 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 So we can have our members show you how that works. But right here, this is a sell stop. You might think this is on a monthly. You might think this is on a 15-minute, a 3-minute, 1 minute. This is on 1 seconds. The system works on 1 seconds as well as it does on weekly or monthly or daily. It works as well on 1 minute. Thank you, Ruben. Good morning, hot auto traders. Good morning, Maros Sopazlia. Yes, you can ask something. Ask away. You might have to email in your question. Good morning, Rapid Empowerment. Maros says 1 second. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, that is true. Look, these are 1 second charts. The system works. Now, on 1 second, you better have balls of steel and move quick. But 15 seconds, absolutely. 30 seconds, I even call 15 seconds now. I even call 30. I never thought I would in a million years. Wow, it's impossible. Well, there it is. How can you make sense out of 1 second trades? Well, there it is. Everything holds. My system works in the macro and my system works in the micro. There it is again. What's this setup? Red, 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 green, sell stop. 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 Red, 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 green. These are all 1 second sell stops, but including with your sniper, by the way. Boom, boom, boom. Free. You're funny, Maros. Cost is right here. Just head over to this thing and you can buy it right here. $575 for the year. What you get are all these indicators here. You do not get the blue and the pink. That's $150 a month. We have optional add-ons. I'll go over those later. But it's $575 for the year. Head over to thesafetytrade.com. Now, a lot of people will buy the system. Oh, it's easy. Oh, this is the easiest shit I've ever seen. Then they get humbled and they cry and they complain. Morrow says, okay, today, bye. So watch, Morrows. It takes time to learn. I would say a third of the people who purchase it do not. This is for generality of anything people buy. A third of the people will not make money. A third of the people will break even and eventually make money. And a third of the people will make money off the bat. Tommy, Heather, we have members making trades first day, same day, making money. Consistently making money. Then we have members that don't make money for a year. Just don't quit. The ones who quit and never come back are the ones who lose. If you quit and you come back, Kimberly Harrington quit twice, came back, makes $300 to $500 to $1,200 a day. She'll be on. She usually likes later times in the mornings. She's retired from her job. So yeah, it'll take time sometimes, 3 to 6 months, 2 to 4 months, something like that on average. Some people are better than average and some people are a little slow. It's like learning a new language. What you're learning isn't support and resistance. That doesn't work. What you're learning isn't Fibonacci and Fibonacci retracements. Look to the left, ascending, descending wedges, naming of candles and candle patterns. It's none of that. It has nothing to do with block trading. That shit fails 99% of the time. Don't believe me, just Google it. This is a whole nother language you're going to learn. Yes, I understand. I don't give up. The beginners are the best because the beginners don't have all the bullshit built into their head. The people who do best with the system are beginners who can follow simple instructions. And professional traders, people who have trading experience, who have an open mind. Tommy comes to mind. He comes out on really quick. Yes, I did ICT too and lost money. If you don't know anything, thank you for speaking up, Andrew. Correct. It's really hard for traders who want to hold on. We had a guy that tried to defend Fibonacci retracement. Fuck Fibonacci retracement. I literally tried Fibonacci retracement for a year and a half. Fib retracements for a year and a half with NAS and EURUSD. I did everything in my power to make them work. I ended up losing $26,500 over 5 years. But for that year and a half on those two symbols, I just tried everything to make it work. And nope, it failed. Crash and burn. Misery. It was terrible. So if you're sick of support and resistance, who the hell names a candle? Oh, Thor's hammer. And that's not one of them, but they do. Morning star, evening star. Who the fuck? First of all, you can change it to your line, to the candles to lines. Look at all the different things. You can change them to Howell candles, line with markers, area wedges, columns, high lows, Heiken Ashi. I don't even say that right. People rip on me for that. Kagi. You could change it to all these different things. So the name of candle panels were not even real is the stupidest. I never fell for that one, thank God. I thought it was stupid as fuck when I heard it. And when I found out Fibonacci comes from a pattern in nature, which is very beautiful, spiraling shells and flowers. When I found that out, I was like, what the fuck? Why am I following nature's patterns applied to trading? What is wrong with these people? Who invented that? What the fuck? I really think the powers to be teach us, because we all learn the same basics, but yet 99% of all retail traders fail and lose money. 99% of us, I was one of them. For 5.5 years, I was one of them. So yeah, I don't get it. I don't understand. They all teach us wrong. They intentionally teach us things that do not work. Well, I'm here teaching you the truth. Fucking bullshit if you're not right more than 1% with my system. What the fuck's wrong with you? My God, you think a fucking, something animal can throw a dart at a fucking thing in the chart and be right 50% of the time. But no, I was wrong 99% of the time also. So whatever. Boxes, 100% true. Yeah, we'll get into all that. That's just what yours. I have a signal service, and that's part of the signal service. If you want to get that's add-on. So anywho, if you're sick of all that BS, let me show you what I was showing people in my advanced training every other Monday, which was yesterday. Let me just show you something. I'm going to show you guys how to trade inside of a candle. So we're going to come over to here. And we're going to come over to here. And we're going to come over to here. And we're going to come current. We can use anything. I'll just use gold since we happen to be here. Look at it go up. Look at these calls. These are the last two gold signals that were sent out. You could have made money on here, and you could have made money on here. Look at this. All right, so let's take a look. This is how you're going to get funded. Well, how I helped my brother get funded in 4 accounts. He'll come on and talk to you about it. Next little few. Let me take this off. Let me see something. Let's see. Okay. Now, rapid power, just getting started. Nice rapid empowerment. I'm very happy for you. Good morning, Dr. Matt. What's up, Dr. Matt? All right. Here we go. So this is how you can get funded. I don't believe in it. I don't like it. My brother does. I think getting funded, all you're doing is trading, helping rich people get richer. Well, I'm already there. I'm good. I don't need to help anybody else. Fuck out of here. So at any rate, let's go take a look. We're just going to come over here. The 1 hour is to the left. The 15-minute is this. So let me show you. This chart right here is the 1 hour. This chart over here is the 15-minute. We're looking at gold. This is gold over here. You can see gold up here in this corner too. You're going to see our patterns. This is a 1 hour, 4 hour. I'm just going to walk you through a 1 hour, 15-minute. So the signal's called out. Let's show you right here. Boop. 1 hour, 15-minute, and it also is a 1 hour, 10. You have to go to the right time frame to get it. But anyway, these lines right here are your signals. You can see that our blue line came from low to high. This is sniper, so $150 a month more. Pink line came down, blue line joined it, signal went out. And from there, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So fucking cool. So watch what I'm talking about. Watch and be stunned and amazed. All right, so here's our trades. We have the call after our logo is formed. What is our logo? On the back of our bull, you'll see a green and red arrow. That is our logo. Besides being cool as fuck, it's actually exactly how we trade. We're going to look for the green up arrow. So I'm going to teach you guys exactly how the system works. Price starts below. Price came up. Retraced. It's triggering our signal. Retraced. Blah, 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 blah. So this is what our up arrow looks like. Period. That's simple. Well, same thing happens over here. Price comes up, retraced. Price came up, retraced, up it went. So wherever it retraced on our logo, on our lines, on our system, you'll see it. So wherever it retraced here, you'll see a buy stop on the 15-minute. Whenever you see it retrace here, you'll see a buy stop on the 15-minute and so on. So we do have our first rule done and our second rule done. So we're good to go. So once we're inside this trade, now this is the beautiful thing about what you're about to learn. We have rules, and on the sniper, the blue line has to come to the top. Has to come to the top. There isn't a choice. So in the 15-minute, it will come back up from the bottom to the top. Well, with that knowledge, you have plenty of 15 minutes. In this case, you could do it with 1 hour, 4 hours, but in this case, this blue line will always rise up, come over 90%. When it does, you have all these 15-minute candles inside of those. Listen to what I'm saying. Inside of these 15-minute candles are made up of 1 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute, 30-second, 15-second buy stops. That's how you're going to get funded. You wait for the buy stop to be called, or you see it, or whatever version, on the 1 hour 15. Then you wait till it goes up to engage the trade. Let's just say your entry would have been here, actually, on this candle right here. So let me mark it. Once you see that it's gone up and engaged, then you start looking, for instance, on the 1 minute, 15-second, 30-second, whatever you want to do, buy stops. So watch. Now we engage. This is your 1 hour. This is your 15-minute. You come down to either to the 1 minute, 3 minute, whatever you want to look at, and then you go down to the 15-second, 30-second. So this happens to be 15-second. So any buy stop after this blue line, which will be right here, look, buy stop, 15-second, buy stop, 15-second, buy stop. You keep playing every one of these 15-second buy stops until the blue line on your 15-minute goes to the top. And in this particular case, you would have had probably zero drawdown. Every trade would have been or stayed in it. Open one, kept one open right here. And you'd have been in the trade right here. Look at the corresponding. Look here and watch. Look here. Watch. I'm going to show you. Pay attention. I guess I'll zoom in even more so you guys get a good. Because I want everyone to get a grasp on this. For every one of you out here trying to be a funded trader. Look at this shit. You're playing inside of a candle, the 15-minute candle, with your 15-second, 30-second, or 1 minute buy stops. Inside of the buy, you won't have any drawdown. You can't because you're inside of a 15-minute up candle. Good morning, Jay Parker. Thank you for answering earlier, D-Nice, by the way. Now, after your minds are blown on this, let it sit in. And this is why I don't teach it, because I lose a lot of you guys. 7s for those of you who understand what I just said. 9s if you don't, and I will not get mad at if it's a 9. Come on now. Speak up. Rapid Empowerment International 7. That's good for you. You just started. Do you get opportunity on 5-minute buy stop inside? You mean 15-minute, Gladix? It could happen, yes. There could be a 5-minute buy after there is a 15-minute. Usually 5-minute buys will happen first, though. Now, who would like to say that's the coolest fucking shit in the history of the world that I just learned? All right, one of the coolest fucking things in the history of the world that I just learned. Come on. You're trading inside of candles. This works just as good on 4-hour, 1-hour buys. Correct, Johan Soas. I mean, people are all about, oh, this and that. I can show you every time there's a buy stop with the blue line, the first time it happens. It's how we have the fucking signal so accurate. It's been in my rules for 2 years that the first time it happens is the best time. And yet people still argue. It's insanity to me. I can go back and show you this exact same trade 100 different times on 100 different symbols. Literally a dozen symbols have been tested with 100% accuracy. Oh, I understand right now. Oh, Maros, you got a long way to go, my brother. Yes, Johan Soaz is the correct answer. And so definitely cool for rapid empowerment, sure. All right, does anybody have any questions over this? I'm literally teaching you how to get funded, even though I don't believe in it, but each has their own beliefs, so I'm going to honor the people that do have that. And by I don't believe in it, I'd rather you start with $200. Or Kevin, or Billy from England, where he started with, he was homeless. He had $50 to start trading with. I'd rather you take your $50, use SPX or use ERUSD or GBP JPY, make small trades and build it. But if you like being a funded trader, then this is how you do it. So no one has any questions over this. Because literally teaching you how to be a funded trader before your very eyes. This isn't voodoo. This isn't weirdness. This isn't support and resistance. This isn't all the old-fashioned shit you've been taught. Trust me, this ain't it. This is 100% opposite. This is real. This works. This is documented. You can see me trading live every day for over a year and a half. My win rate on that speaks for itself. Some silly person who couldn't follow simple instructions, but by the way, don't buy the system if you can't follow simple instructions, was in a class with, I don't know, 6 or 7, 8 people yesterday. Got through the class, gave me 10 on the class training because it's 10 plus, right? And yet silly person, oh, I'm going to leave you a bad review because you didn't explain to me. He doesn't speak English. I don't hold it against him. But I do hold it against him when he's a silly person. So yeah, there's that. If we do send out immediate instructions on what to do, how to do it. Matter of fact, this is exact. Matter of fact, I'm going to go over this again because I quit going over it and then moron boy shows up. These are our rules. Follow the rules. Look at your rule sheet every day. If you need help, let me go over everything for every. These are our rules. This is the rules that make the code that is 100% win rate since January 1st when we went live this year on oil, gold, and NAS SPX US 30. 55 wins or so, 0 losses. So first, review your rules every day. Just don't print them once. You have to look at them all the time. Oh, hi, Kevin. Go over one more time. Oh, sure, Hot Auto Trades. I'll do that. Sorry, I just saw your question. Let me do that now. Hold on. I'll come back to the rules because trust me, I used to do this every day. I have to get back to it because then there's some silly person out there. What the fuck's wrong with people? Oh, you don't explain things. Really? You don't send us things in a timely manner. You don't respond in a timely manner. Does anybody like to kick this clown's butt right now for saying that? Can you imagine the disrespect he showed Bree, my wife? You're insane, bro. All right. So instead of using gold, let's just swing over to US 30. Or do you have a symbol you want me to look at? Hold on. Hot Auto Traders, is there a symbol you want me to look at for you? Or does it matter which one I choose? I don't care. Pick one. Pick a more common one that's on my screen. USD, JPY, GBP, JPY, oil, gold, US 30, NAS, SPX, Bitcoin, something like that. I don't want to go searching for a symbol. Oh, ERUSD, easy peasy, biggest one ever. Here's ERUSD. I'm assuming this is a buy stop here. Let's take a look. Oh, good. How do you know? Okay. So we just currently have a buy stop going on ERUSD. Maros, you said oil a little late. This is for Hot Auto Trader. Hot Auto Trader is the one to ask, guys. Cut it out. All right. Now, they're all the same. Doesn't matter. Half dozen one. They're just, by the way, just so we're all clear, every symbol is the same. That's how we're able to trade NAS, SPX, US 30. Oh, they have different dollars, and NAS is this, and US 30 is 30,000, and NAS is 5,000 or 9,000, and whatever, and SPX is it. No, those three are exactly the same. That's how I trade them. All is one. Oh, but then Google and Ethereum and Bitcoin, they're all different. They all have the same fundamental structure. That's how my system works. Let me be clearer. Everything on this screen that you see is manipulated by the powers that be. Nothing is true. Nothing is accurate. They're all scam artists. I just am able to tap into the scammers and scam them before they scam us. My system predicts the future with near 100% accuracy. The only thing I can say is God can control it and do whatever it wants to do. He wants to do, or you don't know the manipulation that goes on in these markets. So if my system wasn't true, then it wouldn't show the logo right here, retrace right here. I said, hey, that's probably where there's going to be a buy stop. Did you notice that? Anyone pick up on how quick that was? I click on it, and here's your buy stop. Green, 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 red. Green, green, buy stop. And then you have to have the blue engaged. It'll eventually engage wherever this is. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Right here. So that first little up movement's somewhere around here or there, whichever candle. Let me grab my little lines. I would say for sure here, I can go to there's a tester thing to show. So somewhere between here and here, it doesn't matter. We'll pick this one. It kept going up. Doesn't matter, being picky. But that's it. So now we have our logo here. And if I zoom back out again, you'll see the logo here. So let's show you this. Buy stop is here. Let's show you here. This is the retracement. Poop, poop. Retracement right here. So where you see the blue line on the 1 hour, this is what's happening currently on ERUSD. And let me circle it again, or triangulate it again so you guys can see inside of here. Buy stop. Okay. This is actually the first time. How cute. Blue line came up, pink line came down. It's the very first time. This blue line starts to come up. You can see the buy stop is here. Your engagement would be here. Now, after all that's true, we then go to our 1 minute, 3 minute, doesn't matter. Pick a time. There it is again. Here it is again, right here. So watch this here. Started a hook up on the 15-minute ERUSD. Come over to here, nothing. Come over to here, 15-second buy stop, 15-second buy stop, 15-second buy stop. So there's your buy stop. So you could probably go to 30 seconds over here. Probably even, hold on, let's go over to 30. You just pick and choose. Let me grab it again over here. And there's another example of it. Oof. Yeah, there you go. Here's a 30-second. Boom. 30-second, 15-second. All of them lining up. Buy stop, blue line low. And what you do, as long as this blue line stays low, you have to have the sniper, $150 a month. But when you see this, it's got to go back up. This would be a good time to start getting out for your first out. Anyways, you open up two, close one down, blah, 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 put your orders in, close one down, move one to break even, and let it keep running. But the first closure would be when it gets up here. And that's talking the rules too. And there you go. So now you're seeing it work on ERUSD. There's no difference. I don't think you guys are understanding my words. When I tell you that all these symbols, 1,000 different symbols, all respond the same way. If you can chart it on TradingView, there's your answer. If you can chart it on TradingView, this is how you get funded. If you don't want to catch every pip, this is how you get into a trade, a little bit later so you don't get caught. You hold the trade until it gets to the top of the blue on the 15-minute. You can do the same principles for 4 hour, 1 hour. Then you can start catching the 5 minutes, 3 minute buy stops on those trades. Much easier to catch. Make sense to everybody? Yes or no? Oh, wait, Builder Voss. Good morning, Builder Las Vegas. What's up, Builder? Gladex, yes. Andrew, yes. I like Andrew's answer, yes. Jeremy Lowe. Maros, yes. Fly to the sky, yes. What's up, Jan? All right, cool. Pretty basic stuff to me. I usually don't teach you how to do this in a I know that's in the oil rules. Yep, it is. Oil, when a sell stop is called, always goes to this 3 minute blue line based on what I'm teaching you right here. always. And I wouldn't take it all the way up to 100%. And if you have these indicators and you paid for these indicators, you can literally, maybe, hold on. You can literally go over to here under your data window and it will show you where the blue line is, pink line, and so on. You can see it moving. And there we are. We're at like 80, 87. I would say that's a good number, around 85 to 90. See down here? Those of you on TikTok can't see all that, but on YouTube you can. And that's how you can use this to have little to no drawdown to get your funded traded accounts done. Or just for entries in general, it doesn't matter. Well, now that I helped you all become better entry on your trading, let me give you some more value. Here's some more value. Record every trading session you do and rewatch it on a faster speed and zoom around until you see these buy stops forming. Do it 20 to 30 times a night. So you'll have 20 to 30 Tuesdays if you do it today. And just watch the charts. Just record it with Ice Cream Recorder, any recorder you want. And do that. You need to unlearn everything you thought, unless you're a beginner, you knew about trading because it's all wrong, and relearn the system rules. To master it, you need to teach it. We are senior stand ambassadors. That means we are extremely successful in our stores. We make no qualms about it. We deserve to get paid for helping each and every one of you, or trying to help each and every one of you every day. We do have 3 totally optional add-ons. I'm going to go over some of those right now for you. Okay. So let's take a look. Where is my scanner? Where is my scanner? Where is my scanner? Where is? Give me just a second here. Okay. This still is just amazing. All right. This is a scanner room. $50 a month gets you 2 of these rooms you can pick from. You should do this as a learning thing. Boop. Inside here is your H&H free upgrade that we gave you, and we just upgraded it for free. I know that blows one hater's mind that there's nothing for free. Well, Bree and I gave you the scanner several months ago. It didn't include the 30-second, 3-minute, 10-minute, 4-hour daily and weekly. Now it does. So this scanner is $500 a month, but it's included for free if you pay your $50 a month for the entire scanner room. See what it's doing? It just flipped over. You see that spinning arrow stop spinning? I did many a show on this, how to use it. We also have an indice room. Look at it. Just incredible. We also have a Forex room. So we trade, if you wanted to, over 100 different pairs actively. The system works on over 1,000 pairs on TradingView. There's stocks, there's cryptos. Here's your top 10 indices. Here's your top 10 Forex. It's like Christmas. Go to EuroChef, go to AUD/USD. Is it a buy stop, sell stop? Then it tells you BS1s and so on, saying, does it trading to the blue line? Is it verified? And this thing trades better than 90% of you. It's trading according to me and my rules Fucking incredible. So this is an optional add-on. Shouldn't get it unless you can afford $50 a month for the most technologically advanced thing in the history of the world. The sniper I've been referring to for the last hour, I used to use this as a metaphor, but I would sell my car for $150 a month, get a junker and use it, and one of our members did it. So powers to him. Absolutely 100% accurate. It will help you with your entries. You don't need it. You don't need the scanner. You don't need the sniper. But both help out immensely. But if I had to choose, I would do the sniper only. Next, I already referred to these to start with, and I will from now on, is the signal room, the signals. They range anywhere from tier 1, $150 a month, tier 2, $250 a month for 10 signals, tier 3 is unlimited. And by the way, the unlimited people, the $350 a month people, which you do not need signals, but the signals are going to be put on the $350 a month people's charts. They'll have them built in. Matter of fact, Keith has got to add the alerts to that, but they'll be alerted and you'll have them on your charts and you'll be able to do any pair of symbols you want to trade with. 4-hour, 1 hours, weekly dailies, and you have that built in on your charts. Crazy. The $150, $250 a month people will have it built into the Discord signal rooms. We're currently working this entire week on trying to get this ported over and into the code, which everyone, it's so easy to code. Fuck you. It is not easy to code or accurately code. It may be easy to throw some shit together, but if you want something to be accurate, oh my God. Coding is a nightmare. I don't know how Keith does it. Keith Palmer deserves your respect. He's our master coder. He's unbelievable. Can you show us more? While I'm doing my thing, you can ask a specific question, I guess. Sure. All right. We do have an affiliate program if you want to go ahead and do this. If you're doing great, put your money where your mouth is. If you're using the system and making money and doing well, or if you're just a rich fuck, whatever, then buy the scanner, buy the sniper, buy the signal service, stay in it. Okay? Please. Just like Clean Juice, and some of you, Tim Tebow was representing them. Clean Juice, if you love them, you should put your money there. If you like Outback Steakhouse, if you love them, you should buy stuff from there. If you like McDonald's, you should buy stuff from there. So if you love the system, go to the store. If you love the system, get the sniper for $50 a month. If you can afford it. Again, some psychotic, silly hater person out there. Oh, you're telling people to do it and they can't even afford food in their mouth. What the fuck are you talking about? So, you can't please everybody, blah, blah, blah. Some people are just weird as weird can be. Literally, if you need choices between putting food in your mouth and paying $50 a month for a scanner, choose the food. If you're making hundreds and thousands of dollars a month using the system, then put your money up. Oh, I don't use scanner. I don't give a fuck. Buy it anyways. If you're making hundreds and thousands of dollars a month using the system, give back to the system. That's how we help reach other people. And don't make one mistake about it. We're already at 125, 150 people in the signal room. Once we get up to 300 people in the signal room, this group will become a closed group, meaning I will just have Discord lives and that type of thing. Uh-oh. I got to look out for TikTok. They're going to say we run out of time. Imagine they limit you after 1 hour on TikTok. Gladex, what do you think right now about a 5-minute gold? I don't think it's correct. Otherwise, the system would have called it. You might see things beforehand. Let's go to gold and see. Right now, not low enough on the 1 hour. Nope. Right now, 15-minute. Yes. Could it be a 15-minute, 5-minute? That's what he's asking for. Let's see. pull this over to 5 minutes. See? Correct. It is. It is a 5 minute, 15-minute buy stop, but it isn't an hourly one. You can see the difference. It hasn't hooked and came back down yet. So let it get a little closer, then call it, or then trade it. But yeah, very good call, Gladex. Is there any sound on TikTok? I don't know. I think so. Anybody, D-Nice or Builder Voss or Johan, is there sound on TikTok and sound on YouTube? Well, I'm pretty sure YouTube is. Pretty sure TikTok people are answering. All right. We covered a lot of things today. I'm going to go ahead and make some call outs for a dozen different symbols. I do them very fast. Unless there's some more questions, I'm going to go ahead and do call outs for Bitcoin. Probably not much. SPX, NAS, US30, Gold, Ethereum, XRP, GBP, USD, Amazon, Google. Maybe not Google. And then ERUSD. YouTube sound is good. Thank you, Builder Boss. So why? Okay, popcorners must be silly. All right. Any other questions before I make my signal call outs? Because here they look at gold. Woo! Here we go. We're about to go unless I have some signals. 1 minute sell stop, gold to the blue line. That's your problem. You have to honor this trade. It's a 1 minute sell. Who was that? Gladex. Let it come down further. Always play the sells first. Remember how they form. 1 minute first, then 5 minute, 15 minutes, so on. Thank you, Builder Lost, for answering. Appreciate that. Usually the sound on TikTok's fantastic. All right, 1 minute sell, gold to the blue line, gold, 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop, gold. I don't like it. I think the 15 minute, 1 hour needs to come and regroup again on it, but to each his own. 4 hour already came up. Good enough on gold. We're good. US30 SPX we'll get back to. ERUSD. ERUSD is the opposite of UNICEF, so whatever I call for one is the opposite. 1 minute, EURUSD buy. 15 minute already has been engaged. 15 minute, should have been in that 15 minute hour. Still have time. 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop. EURUSD. Forming a 4 hour daily sell stop. And that's all. There's a weekly, so I ain't getting into that shit. GBP JPY. God, I've been calling this shit on GBP JPY monthly all last year up to the blue line. All last year. It's the craziest thing I've ever seen. Anywho, keeps going up, by the way. 1 minute, 5 minute too late, 15 minute too late. It's got to come back down a little bit. I'm not going to call anything other than a 1 minute sell. Just back down to the 5 minute line anyways. Let it hook and come up. 1 minute sell, 5 minute buy. It's all you can call. It's not much there. And don't even get me started on Bitcoin. 1 minute sell to the blue line. Ethereum. 1 minute sell towards this blue line also. Now, after that, though, I've been calling Bitcoin. Literally, all of you seen it. I have a video up. Since March 8th of last year, when Bitcoin was at $26,000, I said buy stop. I said over 70,000. Here you sit. I'm not even going to call it. Fuck Bitcoin. You're too late. Ethereum. Play any 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 10 minute, 5, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour daily buy stops until Ethereum gets over 4,500, 4,600. XRP, been calling it since 31 cents. It is a monthly buy, but let me see what we're doing over here. 1 minute buy stop. 5-minute sell stop, 15-minute buy stop, 30-minute 1 hour buy stop, 4-hour daily buy. Oopsie, told you. Back up on TikTok. All right. What is this? Daily buy XRP. Daily, weekly buy XRP. Monthly buy XRP. Amazon. 1 minute. Sell stop to the blue line when it opens. Forming. Amazon I've been recommending that since like $92 a share, 91, whatever it's been. Buy stop 30-minute, 1 hour. It's already completed a 4-hour. I would say it's going to go all the way up to the daily blue line, but I'm done. That's Amazon. U.S. oil. 1 minute. Sell to the blue line's already happened. Maybe it's going to the 5-minute. Yep. 1 minute, 5-minute sell stop to the blue line of oil. 5-minute blue line. Forming a 30-minute, 1 hour. Daily. That's enough. We're good on oil. All right. Let's see our handy dandy scanner, see if anything's standing out to us for US 30, SPX, and NAS. Oh, we already had blue line touches, buys. Let me see something here. Sure looks like a sell to me on those. Let me see. Okay, let me pull up the scanner now. All right. Let me see the scanner right here, and then we should go over those rules again. All right, scanner, coolest fucking thing in the history of the world, blue line scanner. What this blue line scanner is telling you, are you over the blue line on US 30 or under it on the 30-second, blah, 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 NAS. You'll see the trend reversals when this occurs like this. One hour sell stop indices, I don't know. I'm just looking at the scanner, then we'll do a full read for you. 30-second, 1 minute buy stop, all three indices until US 30 3-minute blue line has been hit. Same for the 5-minute blue line until it's been hit. And same for all of them until the 30-minute US 30 blue line has been hit. Okay, now, is there a higher sell stop Cladex or stacks? Let's take a look. We'll go over here to the 15-minute 1 hour. US 30, 15-minute coming up. 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour. Yeah, 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop to the blue line for US 30. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop to the blue line NAS. And SPX, but I do believe, yeah, this is the one, the daily. It's also a 4-hour daily buy stop. You can play the downs, don't worry about it. Feel free, and there you go. See, they're all the same. So correct, 4-hour daily. Hell, this is a daily weekly. Yep, daily weekly buy. US 30 daily weekly buy, NAS. Daily, weekly buy SPX. You know how long this shit takes? Let it come down first. Take your time. All right. And those are them. Wow. Nice, easy session. All right, TikTokers. Any questions before I go on TikTok? What a fantastic session. Nothing on TikTok. I'm going to go ahead and go over to YouTube where I can talk a little freer. See you on TikTok. YouTube, any questions? YouTubers, any questions at all going once? Going twice. You're welcome, Adam. Favorite part of the shoe. All right, thank you all for being here. I should be on later today, sometime mid-afternoon, I'm guessing. Where did my shit? There. Okay. Thank you all for being here. Cole Felix. I always learn something here. I quit 4 times already now. There you go, Cole. Ever since I'm watching you, it all makes sense now. Thank you. And nice, Cole. Well, awesome. I really hope the 4th time is the charm. Yay. You're welcome, Andrew. You're welcome, Rapid Empowerment. 4 times. Cole, you might have a record of coming back. I like it. Trust me, it's not easy as it looks until you see it. Once you start seeing what's happening, then all of a sudden you're like, I was a fool. How didn't I see this? How didn't I see that? I hope so, brother. Me too. You're welcome, Rapid. All right, guys. God bless y'all. Have a great morning. Yeah, that's nice. Hopefully I'll see y'all later this afternoon. Take care. Oh, how sweet. Oopsie. How do I get that off there? All right, there we go. Good morning.